Okay,
I don't have a warrant for Farmington Hills anymore.
ma'am,
That's
I'm not fighting with you about this. Okay, good afternoon, Miss Woods.
yes. Good
Hi, good
afternoon.
morning. I have that you filed a motion to set aside a conviction.
Yes.
All right, and I'll tell you, Ms. Woods, I had a chance to review the file, as well as the documents that were signed by the Attorney General, as well as the Michigan State Police. And I recognize that this is an older case. Obviously, it's a minor criminal offense. My concern is I received a letter from the Attorney General indicating uh, um, that there are warrants for you currently at the Sydney Police Department in Ohio from 2021, the Worcester Highway Patrol in Ohio from 2024, and Farmington Hills Police Department from 2025.
Uh yes, those are traffic tickets and I'm actually taking care of those right now. I have went to Macomb like a couple weeks ago and I got a bond put out, so I just actually called everyone and started making court dates. But they are all traffic.
Okay, well, I don't have that information in front of me, so, and I want to see it. If you've made these court dates and you've cleared these warrants, I will grant you a set aside, but I need documentation to prove it. I'm not going to set aside a conviction. I mean, the whole point of this is that, and I don't mean any disrespect, I'm just telling you from my judicial philosophy, I guess, is if I'm going to set aside a conviction for an offense, I want to see that the person has made changes and that they've removed themselves from the criminal justice system. And when I have someone in front of me that has 3 pending warrants, according to the Attorney General, in 3 different jurisdictions, and all of which occurred after the date of this offense, I can adjourn this out 30 days. You provide proof that what you're telling me is true. And I'll set another court date for you.
It's actually hard for me to do anything right now because I don't have a job and I can't get a job. I work in nursing homes and I can't get into a nursing home because of this misdemeanor on my background. I can't even get into a hospital. So I'm not even working. I can't even get to Ohio to do anything. I can't even make any money to do anything. So my court cases, I have been to court, but I can't pay the tickets off. So if I can't pay the tickets off, then they're going to keep just sending them back out. I have already been to court for these things. I'm just not paying the tickets because I really don't have money. On top of already having 2 kids.
Well, how'd you work in a nursing home environment? This has been on your record forever.
That's what
How all of a
that's
sudden is
what
it affecting?
I don't even know how I got lucky and got into a nursing home. That was the place I was working at, but I had got fired last year and it's been really hard for me to find another job. And on
Okay.
top of this is for a taser that I was living in Georgia and I told them that the laws for Georgia and laws are Michigan are different. I did not know that Michigan law was I couldn't have a taser. But I was residing in Georgia around the time, which I informed them that originally from the case.
Well, I can't go back and discuss the merits of the conviction with you. You entered a plea. And I'm not saying you're not entitled to it, but I'm not granting it while you have those other matters pending. You have 3 warrants for your arrest. I'm not setting aside a conviction when you have 3 warrants for your arrest. This is what I'm going to do. I'm adjourning it for 45 days.
Could you make it less than 45?
30.
I'm literally a single mom. I have 2 kids. I can get this. I can go call Ohio and whoever within 2 weeks. I really need this off my record. Honestly, please.
I'll take care. I mean, I'm not you got 3 warrants. I'll adjourn it 3 to 4 weeks. That it'll be on the clerks downstairs. I don't know how backed up my dockets are. You need to prove warrants are all set aside. All right, we'll send you notice of the new date in the mail, but I'm adjourning it today. All right, and you're all set, ma'am.
So what do I gotta bring it to the next court date?
Proof you don't have any warrants.
So just bring it to the next court date, or just bring it down to bring it to the court?
You can submit it to the court. You can come in person for your hearing and bring the documents with you. I mean, that's up to you, ma'am.
Okay, you said who did I have warrants for?
Did we send that file down? Do we still have it?
I just hit send it.
All right, I just sent it downstairs. What did I say, Amy? Wooster, Ohio, is that what I said? Oh, for Farmington Hills. All right, we caught it. Hold on. According to the Attorney General, you have a warrant in Ohio at the Sydney Police Department from 21 in Ohio. You've got another one from Wooster Highway Patrol in Ohio from 2024. And you have one in Farmington Hills from 2025. You got that?
Mm-hmm. I don't have a warrant for Farmington Hills anymore.
Ma'am, I'm not fighting with you about this. There is a letter from the
Okay, just
Attorney
send a court
General.
date. Thank you.
No, listen, from December 2nd of 25, and it indicates to me you may be eligible, but you have 3 warrants out. So,
Okay, and I'm telling you that I just went to Macomb. I
denied.
just
Your
looked at
motion
all
to
of
set
my
aside the
warrants.
conviction is denied. I'm denying your motion. You're all set, ma'am. Your motion's denied. Have a good day.
I'm sorry. I'm
Well,
trying to
I've
explain
answered you.
to you
Your
that I
motion to
just
set
went
aside is denied.
I
It's
just
denied.